here we have it, my brand new Kenwood TH-D75. So let's do the unboxing and have a look what I got here. So I'm just experiencing this for the first time. And let's see what we have there. And there will be probably a lot of follow-up videos coming out from the bigger YouTubers, walking you through the menus of this thing. Okay, well, that's the manual and the warranty card. I guess we look at this later. Okay, so that looks pretty clean. Body of the device. Nice. Should I tear off the display foil? Of course I should. Attention. Ah, so satisfying. Okay. Battery. How big is that? 1820 milliamp hours at 7.4 volt. Okay, rubber duck antenna, rubber antenna, and of course charger with not a USB-C but some small barrel plug connector. And what voltage is that? 12 volt and 0.85 amps. I hope my camera is focusing. Okay, what else do we have here? There's some screws. It's probably for the belt clip. Yeah, so not a lot of things in here. Just the Kenwood battery charger, screw and belt clip, and the antenna. Okay, I put two red dots at the bottom of the connector. Not sure why. Quality control, who knows. Good, let's see if the battery is charged and how you put it in. Probably, yeah, like this. Okay, so it's not a BNC, it's a SMA connector here. Never sure, is it reverse SMA or is it SMA? Have to look in the manual. Okay, let's put the box out of the way. And zoom in a bit. Okay. And how do you turn it on? That's the next question. Where's the power button? Here on the side. As you can see, I have really no clue about this radio, and I also never had a TH-D74. And yeah, so far so good. Seems to work. Okay, the belt clip will be screwed on, and yeah, one thing that I already like about it is that the belt clip is on the body of the handset and not screwed to the battery like for the bloody Anytone, because of course you have to get a belt clip for every battery you own, which is a bit dumb, isn't it? So I prefer the belt clip on the body of the radio. interesting question is, will you be able to change the battery while the clip is on? Or will you need to unscrew this every time you change the battery? Because that's equally stupid. Good. Display is very nice already. I already see that. So when the backlight is on, you see it, and when the backlight is off, I think it's one of these trans-reflective displays. But what you can also see is that the battery is dead probably. I see a red icon here at the top. So yeah, that was the unboxing. Let's keep that short. And I'll charge the battery and work through the instruction manual. And in a few days I can give you a impression what I think about it. So what did I get? Okay, user guide in multiple languages and the warranty card. Here, let's put the grandparent next to it. So here, TH-D75 on the left and my trusty old TH-70E on the right. So as I said, this was the very first radio that I ever got when I got licensed. And yeah, just a few decades later, of course, I had to buy the first new Kenwood handset that Kenwood made since I came back into the hobby. Thanks for watching and until next time. Bye!